Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to be you and leave you lonely, but there's light you sleep. 'Cause now I know we are God. They can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion. Trying to keep my head up high, but the water keeps on rising. Feeling on my knees besides, I can live and feel like dying. But there's something inside of me that keeps me alive. Cold eyes staring right back at me.